Rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video. I'm out here in Brookhaven, and this is what I'm working on. 2014 Land Rover Range Rover Sport supercharger in this one. Do an alternator on it. It's gonna be a nice little job. I'm gonna show you step by step how I'm gonna get it out and put it in. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
First, we want to go ahead and take out this air box. Remove all the covering and everything. I went ahead and pulled that portion out. Took off the cover. Now we're going to take off this here. 10 mil here. There's one down in here. That one right there. And flat head right here to take off the throttle body. Alright, we got our belt tensioner right here. So we're gonna get the belt off. I have put that 3/8 ratchet on it, and I'll put a pipe on it. That's what I'm gonna do. Just like that. And that right there. Push it to your right. Alright, I got the belt off. Over here. Alternator is sitting down right below. So that pulley. Crazy. So we're gonna have to take off this supercharger belt. Cause gotta get here. Take off the tensioner down here. Get it on there. You want to push down. It's going to release the tension on the belt. Alright, that's that bolt for that supercharger tensioner. Supercharger tensioner. Alright, we can get down here to this alternator a little better. Alright, next we're going to get up under it. Get on this side so we can gain access to this alternator from the wheel well. And this is the alternator. This is what we're looking at. Special order. 3 bolts. One here, 2 here. Alright, we got this flap here. We got to take out these tabs. 1, 2. There's one here. Taking that out, and I should be able to drop it. That's that flap there. You can see alternator. Got the 2 bolts at the bottom. That's those 2 bolts. Got the power wire off. Make sure you take off the harness. Right behind. Let's see. It's right behind. There it is, right there. Alright, front of the alternator. Okay, we're getting to this bolt right here. That's that bolt. The last bolt that's holding it. Once I get that out, I can loosen up the alternator and it'll drop. I can take out this pulley right here. That's the only way it looked like you'll be able to get it through. Once all of this is removed, and you can pull it up through here. Now I got my socket on there, And that's how I'm getting that. I got an extension, 13 mil. Took that bolt out and it fell right out. So it's sitting below. Can't get it from here, too tight. Gotta be up top. So next we're gonna take off this pulley right here. Got 3 10mm bolts holding it. Alright, that bracket is right there. That's one bolt and the other one, 2 at the bottom, and then there's one at the top. Get that pulley off. So I already got them loose. That's where I'm getting it from the top. I pretty much just went down and put my arm down in there. That was the best way because I tried to get it from the bottom and I wasn't having too much luck for me personally. That's it right there. That right there gonna give clear room for the alternator to move and pull through here, right here. Ain't nothing in the way. Just like that. Pull it up through there. Alright, we got it in there. Now we gotta go in reverse order. First, we're gonna put on that pulley. Put that pulley on first, and then install the alternator. Alright, we back in. I got my power wire connected. I'm gonna put that signal wire in when I get it mounted. Alright, I started with the bottom bolts. I put them in. It's not even tight yet. I'm gonna go ahead and put the one in the top, and then I'm gonna come back down and I'm gonna start tightening everything down. That's that top bolt. Got it tight. Alternator is installed. Now we're gonna put these tensioners back on and put the belts on. Put it on it. Stuck it behind this pulley, and I can put the belt on without holding it. Take it off, put it on without holding it. Go ahead, put that, install that right there. Alright, we got that belt on there, supercharger belt, alternator, everything in. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the air boxes and everything back in there. Everything looking good, man.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.